Ressa and Gina, and today we have another video. Guess what this one's called? You guys have to guess. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be like the title right up here. It is How to Connect with Nature. Yay! So we are going to get right into it in 3, 2, 1.
Number 1, putting on the right clothing.
Wait a minute. Number 2, the water tester. Cool.
Okay, in 3, I will jump. Number 3, get that yoga.
First one is called the downward stomp. Number 2, this next one is called the awkward shaped tree. Remembering to breathe the whole time. Number 3, thy mooning to the sun. Bring thy foot forward, bend down, touch thy foot, and bring thy foot back, bringing thy tush into the air. To the sun. Bring thy tush to the sun. And number 4.
Hey, you! Get off my lawn!
Number 4, go back to your roots.
Why you gon' do like that? Why you gon' act like you don't know? No, baby, don't do like that.
Number 5, wake up and smell the flowers. Until you realize you're allergic to the flower. Yeah. Yay!
Look at the beautiful flowers.
Number 6, exercising. We love our exercising. My ankle out. Runners ready. Number 7, the biggest splash.
1, 2, 3.
What are you doing? Stop splashing!
Don't be a 24/7 hour self-pay person. Nobody likes that.
Oh God.
Home alone. My mama take my nangazana yo. All you gotta do is sing along. Why don't you spin around? Mama just go down low.
Number 9, starving for berries. Berries!
Oh, I need food. I'm so hungry.
Wine it slow, eh. Mama, show me what you working on. Is it me you really waiting on? Cause I'm looking at your pictures on. And you know that really turns me on. Cause I'm sitting at my home alone.
I'm coming. Number 10, the fright of heights. I'm so high off the ground.
Look, come up here.
Take my money, yeah. Take my money, yeah. You can take my dirty money, yeah. I can call you dirty, honey.
Where the food at?
Sure. Thank you for watching. My sister is currently having a meltdown. Yo! Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe down below. Hit that like button, though, because it really does mean something for future videos.
Exactly.
And comment down below. Nice stuff, please. Thank you. Okay, we're just gonna end this. Peace.